Welcome back. If you're new to our channel, for the last several weeks, Zatar has been in Florida basically undergoing a heart transplant. We removed the old engines and dropped in 2 gorgeous new YANMAR 110s. Just Catamarans made all the modifications needed and installed all the new pieces, parts, and accessories to get us up and running smoothly. We also upgraded our kitchen and got a new high-fill dinghy. We're also preparing for all 3 kids to step off the boat and embark on their own adventures before Keith and I head south to Grenada before hurricane season kicks off on July 1st. After making sure the fuel lines were plumbed in properly, they filled the engines with oil and coolant and tidied everything up. And now we're finally able to fire up the engines.
Oh, she's ready down there?
Yeah.
You start that engine. Look at that!
It is quiet, like way quieter. All right, we're gonna start the other one. Here we go.
Look at that hinge.
They are.
Oh my God, they are quiet.
The engine controls, you guys, are YANMAR now, and we have eliminated keys. Now we're modern. We have push start on our vehicle. No more keys. No more turn it over. All right, after making sure the engine's fired up nicely, we took her out to stretch her legs and do a sea trial. We're rolling everything up, getting everything ready. We're going to do sea trials this morning.
That's good. Tell her to stop.
We're moving.
We're good.
Secure.
Hey, how did that go, baby?
It was a great test, great first test. Just Catamarans did good. The YANMARs are quiet.
They are quiet.
I mean, you wouldn't even know they were running. It's just crazy. It's crazy. They're so quiet, clean. Everything worked good. The prop shaft seals, the PSS prop shaft seals we put in, those were great. Those didn't leak. So it was really good.
Excellent.